But next question, facial hair or body hair? Yes, this will change when you go on the testosterone blockers, and after you've had your SRS, you don't have to go on the testosterone blockers anymore because your body, you know, it isn't producing any testosterone. Your facial hair and body hair will kinda be thinner and thinner and kinda disappear. However, sometimes you have to go on laser hair removal or like electrolysis to remove the hair in your face. That was hard for me to say. But as I stated previously, I use KetchBeauty. I use it at home and it works just as fine. Actually, it's really convenient using it from home, and it isn't really painful at all. And I use it everywhere, like on my entire body. And also, I don't use it in my face anymore because I don't really have any facial hair, but yes, I use it everywhere and it works really great. I really recommend it. As I stated before, you know, click the link down below. Yeah, I've already talked about them, so I'm not going to drag it on any further, but I just want to let you know that I use it and it works really great. That was everything for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.